So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to pull up and park myself. Why is he waiting on the zigzags? So the reason I'm staying here is simply just to get the evidence that he actually has stopped. NX18 FYU. Mudguards are great. Huh. Screw him. Oh dear. Oh dear. Can't be using your phone, man.
Huh?
Can't be using your phone there.
Oh my gosh, man.
Your stuff now. I'm going to report it. Dashboard on. No seatbelt on. Interesting. Keys in the ignition. See you later. Stay off your phone, man. TG65 ZTX. My friend, you're not allowed to be holding your phone and using it. TFL will take your license, right? And I'm going to report it. I mean, I assume he is. Yep, there he is, his PHV badge. No one's paying any attention to the lady crossing. Like, why are you going onto the crossing even? Really shitty driving. I'm sure I read him as saying fuck sakes, man, there. Oh. We've got TN 400 Junior. Extended amounts of swiping. He hasn't even noticed the lights changed. GX23 HYP. You tell me if someone's not distracted by their phone use there. I did not like that. Hey, handheld lit up phone there and passing in an inappropriate place. Like, I wouldn't have overtaken there just because it got narrow. Good afternoon, sir. When you overtook me back there, you were busy holding your phone.
Actually wasn't on my phone.
I saw you hold it up.
You decided to take half the road.
That's where I'm supposed to ride.
You went in the middle of the road for no reason. Cyclists are meant to stay to the left.
No, they're not. I was riding outside of the door zone of the park code, and I saw you hold up your phone with the lit screen. And now, there's nothing wrong with my road position, but I am going to report your phone use.
Pardon?
I am going to report your phone use to the police. That's unacceptable. Because not only were you using it here, you were also holding it up. Huh?
Pardon?
You're parked, are you? That's why your engine's running.
I was trying to put my sat nav on, but regardless of that,
but it was
I tried to go. You saw me clearly try to go around you. It's not like
next time you go over more, don't overtake so close.
How far do you want me to be?
With 1.5 meters or more. But the point is, don't use your phone.
But let's be honest though. How much room did I give you?
Not enough. You'll see on the camera.
You was literally.
What happens when someone opens the door?
And I went into the other lane clearly.
You should have gone more. And you should not have been holding your phone with a lit up screen, which will probably appear on video.
Honestly, you genuinely think I was that close to you?
You were not dangerously close, but you were too close. But my concern is here is you need to stay off your phone when you're driving. You need to stay off your phone when you're driving. Be careful. Be more careful. Be more careful. Carry on. Maybe the cop wants to get involved, then we can show him the video of your phone use. You were careless because you were distracted by your phone. Sorry. No problem, man. You gotta be kind and careful to pedestrians. Hey! EU69EJG.